Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to turn off sticky keys quickly and stop those annoying notifications. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Open Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Accessibility. Then scroll down and select for Keyboard. Here you will see. Now find sticky keys and switch it off. Disable the keyboard shortcut optional. If you want to disable it, you can just press the shift key 5 times to turn sticky key on or off. Like I will show you. 1 2 3 4 5. And here you will see, do you want to turn on sticky key let you use the shift control alt shift key 5 times. Here you will see, you can, if you want to turn it on, you can yes. If you don't turn on, you can no. And that's it. Sticky key is now disabled in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.